In this video, we're going to show you how to use the Edit Video Tabs area of the Clever YouTube plugin. So this area can be very useful if you want to make a tabular display of videos, to put several videos in a tab widget. This is very commonly used on marketing videos or for product launches or product demonstrations, but of course you can use it for any situation in which you would need to put videos in a tabular format. So for this quick example, we're just going to put 3 videos in a tab widget. I have here a video of cats, a video of dogs, and a video of birds. So to create our little tab widget, we would simply copy the YouTube URL just as we would as if we were sending the URL to our friend or putting it in an email or whatever. We'll just copy it and place it into the Clever YouTube plugin YouTube video edit box here. And the YouTube button will illuminate, indicating that we have just placed a valid YouTube URL into the box. So recall that we're making a widget out of cats, dogs, and birds. So I'm just going to call our first tab Cats, and then I'm going to create a new tab, call it Dogs. I'm going to head back to our YouTube URL of the video with pet dogs. I'm going to copy that and paste it back in our second tab area, and then I'm going to create another tab, and of course this one is for pet birds. So I'm going to type birds in our edit box and then get the bird URL, and for the bird URL I'll just place that here. So I hope it's clear what we've just done here. We've created a tab that's going to hold a tab name called Cats, and this is the YouTube URL of our cat video. Our next tab will be called Dogs, and this is the YouTube URL of our dog video. And our next tab will be called Birds, and this is the YouTube URL of our bird video. So this is all going to be saved in tab number 1 here. I'm just going to call this My Pets, and that's going to be the name of our little tab widget. Now I'll just press the save button. Okay, so our tab is now saved in memory, and if I zoom down here, I see some more options, but right now all I need to do is get our little WordPress shortcode. Now if you don't know what a shortcode is, a shortcode is just a little piece of code that tells WordPress to do a certain action when it sees this text. And this is called Clever YouTube Tabs, tab style 1. So this is directing WordPress to just put our first tab widget into WordPress whenever it sees this code. So now we're just going to go over to our first post, and you can see we're just in a typical Hello World post. This is the first post you see when you start WordPress, and I'm just going to paste our little shortcode here and click the update button to update our post in the typical fashion. And now I'll just go ahead and view our post in WordPress, and you'll notice we have the default WordPress theme. It says Hello World, welcome to WordPress, and we've just created a 3-tabbed YouTube video which features our cats, dogs, and birds. These are the 3 videos that we encountered at the beginning of this tutorial, and of course if we click play and switch between tabs, then the video itself will start. So again, this is just a very simple way to put YouTube videos in a tabular fashion in WordPress. Now there are a couple other features on the Clever YouTube plugin, and there are other features that allow you to style the tabs in various ways. But I hope you can see how easy it is to get started making video tabs with the Clever YouTube plugin. And I want to emphasize that I myself use video tabs on my own website. We're of course looking at the Keyword Researcher pitch page, and on top you'll see 5 tabs, and of course these 5 tabs simply come from the Clever YouTube plugin. Each of these videos is a styled video in the Clever YouTube plugin, and each of these tabs is just created in a single tab widget. Now this would be very tricky to do without the latest version of the Clever YouTube plugin, which includes both styled videos and tab widgets to display the styled videos.